Hello everyone, I hope you're fine. Today we will discuss about how we can send multiple SKU shipments for those multiple SKU that are packed in one cartoon or in multiple cartoon. Okay, so I have a case scenario in which I have one box which includes two color, 10 pieces for each color. So this is what I need to ship from China to Amazon warehouse. So what information do you need before creating a shipment? So you need to know the SKU for which you want it to ship, the number of SKU, the SKU that included in that cartoon, and master cartoon dimension, cartoon weight, and total number of cartoon units per SKU, number of units per SKU in that cartoon, and ship from address. Let me explain units per SKU. Let's say you have one cartoon. In the scenario that I have, like in this cartoon, there is a unit per SKU. I have one SKU pink and one SKU is blue, and the unit per SKU for the pink is 10 and for the blue is 10 pieces. This is what you need to know before getting the shipments. Okay, so let's move toward the shipments creation. Okay, so here I need to get SKU first. I need to select both SKU, click on action selected, then send representation inventory. Yes, continue. Okay, so here you need to make sure you have entered the ship from address. If you have not entered, you need to enter it, then create shipment. Okay, so these are packing details. So which packing detail I need to select? I need to select individual units because I'm sending the multiple SKU that are packed in one cartoon. So I'm going to select the individual units shipments. So number of units, make sure you correct this information is correct, as FNSKU will be labeled by the seller. So how many units for the green color in the box, how many number of units for the pink in the box are available. So as I show you here, it's 10 for both. So I am going to enter 10 here, ready to pack, and 10 units here, ready to pack. Okay, pack individual units. Okay, how many boxes will these fit in units into box? Everything will fit into one two box. So in my scenario, my case, I have only one box and everything will fit into one box. And I will enter the information here for the box dimension and box. It will be fine. Okay. So what information do we have for the box? I have that in centimeter. I need to write in inches. Okay, 53, 20.8. Okay, so I can write it to 21. Okay, I probably can write it 10, 23, and 9. Okay, what is the box weight? The box weight is here is 6 kg. So I'm going to enter here 6 kg. Okay, kg to pound. I need to enter. Okay, 6 kg. How many pounds it will be? 13 pounds. Okay, so you need to confirm the packing information. Okay, this is a case in which you have only one cartoon and you can enter the information like this way. What will be the scenario in which you have once you have multiple boxes? how you will ship it. Let's say right, in this case there was only 20 units. When there will be more units, 200 for 2000 units, the number of boxes and number of cartoon will increase. So how can I ship that? So let me explain for you here. I'm going to restart that process so that you can understand how to. Let's say now I have a multiple boxes. Okay, I have a 2000 units to send, or 1000. Okay, so I'm going to click multiple boxes will be needed. Okay, that's confirm. You can enter box content information for up to 10 boxes using a web form. So if I'm going to enter here 10, I can up to 10 I can enter here, and I can enter open web form, and I can enter all the box information here. Okay, let's say these two SKU, I can enter the quantity for each one. Let's say if it's 500 for each units, and I'm going to send. So you need to enter the box information here for all the boxes. Okay, now for each unit, let's what how much quantity you have, how much quantity you have packed. Okay, so you can enter here. Let's say in the boxes there is 1000 units. So how many I need to enter? So 500 for pink and 500 for green. Okay, so it now depending upon the number of units I need to enter the quantity here. So it will be 50 per box, each box. So this is just my assumption. If I'm sending 1000 units, it will be, let's say we are it has packed 100 units in each cartoon, 50 for pink and 50 for green. So multiple SKU, you can do this way as well. Okay, so after that you can enter each box weight here as well, and then you can enter the box dimension here. If the box dimension will be same for all, that's how I can do it. Okay, so after I have entered the information for the SKU dimension and weight, I need to click on confirm and continue. Then I need to select the carrier. Okay, UPS is not available between these two locations from China to USA. UPS cannot, Amazon Partner Carrier Services is not available. So here, so I need to select other carrier, and then I will be need to select how if the shipment is going to be transported. Either it's by ground, sea, ocean, or sea. So in my case, it will be by ocean. So I need to enter the 14 days range here as well. That is delivery window. Okay, so once you have done this, you can proceed further. You can rename the shipment if you want to rename it. I will be printing thermal printing box labels. Okay, so then I click accept proceed to enter tracking detail. Okay, after that you can enter the tracking detail ID here. After you can get it from your supplier factory, order shipping services that you are using. That's all. If you have any question, any confusion, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.